Runny nose, sore throat, slight fever, fatigue, missing work. These could be symptoms of a cold or a strep or maybe even the flu. But it's a little hard to tell without a medical diagnosis or maybe trying some type of treatment like an over-the-counter med to see if it improves. What about these symptoms? Indecisiveness, not working or communicating well with others, fatigue, missing work. What could these be symptoms of? Well, maybe laziness, irresponsibility, a lack of soft skills, or maybe the employee is showing signs of substance use disorder and addiction. Thanks to the development of sophisticated brain imaging technology, scientists now know that substance use disorder is a disease of the brain that is treatable and preventable like heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses. And people with the disease, including those in the early phases of recovery, experience pretty predictable symptoms. Difficulty concentrating or prioritizing, fatigue, stress intolerance, or trouble paying attention or shifting from one task to another. Sounds like soft skills, doesn't it? Recognizing substance use disorder as a brain disease is based on relatively new science. And before those breakthroughs, addiction was thought to be caused by a lack of willpower or poor character, and the person with the problem was seen as a troubled employee, likely disciplined or fired for the lack of soft skills, or not even hired in the first place. Let me weave a quick web. Many employers across Ohio are challenged to find workers. According to a study conducted as part of the Working Partners Drug-Free Workforce Community Initiative, nearly 80% of businesses in your area are currently recruiting new employees, and the majority say they are having some level of difficulty doing so. And not having necessary soft skills was cited as the number 2 most common reason why it's hard to find workers. So what's the employer to do with this? Adopting a contemporary view of addiction and recovery may be a leap for those who aren't familiar with what we now know about the disease and how employers can help prevent and respond to it. If that's you, number 1, get educated about the medical advancements related to substance use disorder and connect with a resource like a counselor or an employee assistance program who can help diagnose and treat these types of performance problems. Here's a place to start. Download the free resource, The Science of Addiction, and reach out to the Mental Health and Recovery Board of Clark, Greene, and Madison counties for more information and resources. Adopting recovery-friendly policies and practices can enhance your workplace and help build and retain a safe and productive workforce.